How to show yesterday's data in Tableau. In this example, I have sum of sales and date, and I'm showing a filter as yesterday equals true. Today is the 23rd of October, and you can see that Tableau is showing only the 22nd of October. Let's take a look at how to do this in a new sheet. I've added a new sheet, and now I have sales by date. In order to filter it down to only yesterday's date, I can create a calculated field. We're going to call it yesterday. And we're going to write the calculation date equals today minus 1. There is no function for yesterday, so I'm going to use today minus 1. Click apply, OK. And let's move yesterday to filters and click only true. Click apply, OK. Now I have only yesterday's date. I can add more dimensions in here as well. If I wanted to show a region bar chart, I could do that. Now I can see the region sales for only yesterday. Hope this helps.